Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Log and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to reply to someone's comment with video on TikTok. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Your For You page appears. Now firstly select the video in which you want to reply and then go to its comment section. I'm gonna choose this one video. Now I'm gonna go to its comment section. Now select the comment in which you want to reply with the video. Here I'm gonna select this one comment. What you have to do is after you select the comment, you have to long press on the comment in this way. Now you will get multiple options. Tap on the option of reply with video. Just tap on it. And now you can shoot the video by tapping on this red icon, or also you can upload video from your gallery to reply. This is very easy and simple process. This is how you reply to someone's comment with video on TikTok. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.